we're gonna change things up a little bit today. Today I don't have a soda to review. Instead, I was sent a special bottle of water. Yes, Topo Chico. Topo Chico. It's a very big water. Very big shoe today. We got Topo Chico. How's it going, Topo Chico?
It's going alright.
Now, Topo, have you been playing in the pond? I have been. Very good. We got a very big shoe that we're going to be here, and we're going to be sitting next to this car hood. So, Topo Chico, or Topo Chico, so I want to say Topo Chico for some reason when I say this. Now, here's what it is. It's a mineral water from Monterrey, Mexico. Now, I am confused. Don't they say don't drink the water when you go down to Mexico? Does this mean this water is safe? Or will I be getting the old Montezuma's revenge?
I hope not.
But I guess it's alright. This is popular down in Texas. It's Topo Chico. It's a mineral water with a twist of lime made out of Monterrey, Mexico. And they've been making water like this since 1895, bottled at the source. So we're going to see if this skips that bad juju and is actually good water that you can drink. So let's give this a try. Brent, Brent, Brent. Dan, boom, 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 boom. Boom. I thought I was about to erupt for a second. Is this actually a pull-off? Do I have to like pull it? Who sells water like that? And I don't have my straw. I guess I'll just use it without the straw this time. At least we're all the way into it. All right. All right. I forgot to bring a second. I forgot to bring a straw. Well, bottoms up. Yeah. Eh. 6.1.
Is it carbonated?
Yeah.
And is there a flavor to it?
A little bit of a lime twist, but you know, it's just not me.
It's good to know who you are.